Hey loves, welcome back to our channel.
I'm Bella.
And I'm Ruby, and we're the owners of Love & Co Candles. Gifting season is just around the corner, and we wanted to provide you with some gifting ideas for the people on your list. Today we're sharing the ultimate gift guide for candle lovers. Whether it's for the holidays, weddings, or any special occasion, we've got luxurious, thoughtful gifts that are sure to impress.
Gifts for the self-care enthusiast. For anyone who loves self-care, our Eternal Scented Candle is a must. It's perfect for creating that spa-like atmosphere right at home. Pair it with our room and linen sprays to really elevate the experience. Want to make the gift even more special? We offer beautiful add-ons like wick trimmers, matches, or even an electric lighter for a full candle care set.
Gifts for the homebody. For a homebody who loves all things cozy, our Trio mini candle gift set is perfect. It comes beautifully packaged in a gift box tied with a ribbon, ready to give. These minis are ideal for trying out different scents, making it a wonderful gift for someone who enjoys filling their home with different fragrances. In our Boo Basket video, we described how we created our gift basket, which is a playful option for the fall. It's filled with our seasonal candles and goodies, and that makes it a perfect treat for a spooky night in. If you're looking for a fun and festive way to surprise someone, a gift basket is a perfect gift option. And remember, if you need something to round out a gift basket you've already created, whether it's for a birthday, holiday, or any special occasion, our candles, room sprays, and even our mini and travel size sets are the perfect additions to elevate any gift.
Countdown to the holidays. Looking for something truly unique? Our advent calendar of 12 mini candles is the perfect way to celebrate the holidays, or even as a wedding favor light win countdown gift. Each day reveals a new scent, bringing a little surprise and joy to any candle lover's home. This set is great for building excitement leading up to Christmas, or for celebrating special moments in the lead up to a wedding, or after the wedding leading up to the first anniversary.
The Ultimate Candle Lovers Bundle. If you really want to spoil someone, check out our Ultimate Candle Lovers Bundle. This includes one of each of our signature candles, our full-size room sprays, wax melts, and your choice of add-ons like a wick snuffer or an electric lighter. It's the perfect all-in-one gift for the candle enthusiast in your life, and it comes beautifully packaged. Just add a bow and you're good to go.
So there you have it, our top gift ideas for the candle lovers in your life. From our mini trio gift set and advent calendar to the ultimate candle lovers bundle, there's something here for everyone. And don't forget about our thoughtful add-ons like wick trimmers and electric lighters to make your gift even more special.
Be sure to check out our website for more gift ideas and exclusive offers, and we'll see you in the next video. And now on to our giveaway. Each week, we're going to announce one of the 4 winners of the gift card to our website. And the winner is... Congratulations. Please send us your name and email address so we can send you your prize. Our email is linked in the bio.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope that you enjoyed this video.
And if you did, please be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when we post a new video.
We'll see you in the next one.
Bye,
Bye
loves.
loves.